Okay, again, this is my Alien 6-inch with the Connex system. Okay, I told you I was going to massage it a little to figure out what I can do. Well, I 3D printed a camera mount that slips into the orifices in the carbon underneath. It slides down and it clicks back, and that gets locked in by these two posts. Lock the camera in back. Okay, then because the Alien comes with two top plates, I cut the second top plate so I can get a little more camera tilt out of it, and I can probably cut it a little more to get a little more camera tilt out of it. Then I 3D printed a piece for the antenna mount. Okay, and that goes right into that screw that you're supposed to inset in there for something else. And when I set the camera down, I'll show you. And if you can see, inside there, sandwiched between the top and the middle plate, is the ProSight brain box. So this is how it's going to go. Let me show you. I'll take it apart a little bit. Alright, so none of this is screwed together, but here's the top plate, okay? And I sourced some standoffs in every different size, except for the one I needed, but we'll do with what we got. So here's the antenna mount, and this is the prototype, okay? Here's the antenna. Those little black things are going to slide down into here, and this will be the new mount, and then that will snap in to these two rails and get screwed down by that inset thread right there. You got me? So you pop this in, you break it, you get a new one, and you screw it right down. Okay, let me get it popped in there first. There, and then you slide it back to that thread and you throw a screw right in there. It's got all the little holes for the antenna wires to go through. So that's that, right? And that snaps in there, gets screwed on there, you break it, you pull that one off, you put another one on. And I'm going to start printing all of this out of this new roll of Sane Smart TPU. It doesn't say it anywhere, but this is that flexible filament that you see Shen drones using, and guys who use flexible stuff. So okay, there's the top plate. Boom, that comes off. It'll have those standoffs right there, just enough to fit the ProSight. Okay, now I got the ProSight in here, and what I had to do, just like I cut this out to get the camera to go on its angle, I milled out two holes here for the antennas on the ProSight. I could have put it in like this and half of it would be sticking outside the frame, but I wasn't happy with that. So what I did was I filed it down so that it moves them over, and considering we got two top plates, I thought, oh, it should be alright, right? So just to show you, I want to snap this in. Let me just snap this in and snap the other one in, just to show you how it's going to work. Come on, baby. Because these go on the inside. Come on. Maybe I'm putting it in backwards. Somebody help me. Nope, it's right. Let's go. Okay. Right? So there it is. I don't know. Oh, forward. So we'll flip it all the way around. Okay, so the ProSight now is fully enclosed in there, and I'm going to double stick tape it. All the top plate screws will go in to the main standoff, so there's no strength loss there. These screws right here will still go in underneath there. There's one screw, however it won't have those standoffs in that area. I'll have double stick tape and some kind of vibration dampening on the top, and this thing will go on here. I do have to mention though that I'm going to have to drill out these standoffs, or I won't be able to tighten it down the way I want to do it. I'm going to use long screws that go through this sleeve and into there so that I can tighten it down. See, if I tighten down into here, there could be an issue where one part's not tight. I guess if I put a washer under the top of this one, it would work. Yes, no, maybe so. Anyway, so that's how that's going to go. These wires are going to go to the back. I'll hook up the wires to the camera. I took the rubber piece off the camera, got the camera mount in there, and that's it. We're getting ready to build. My next step, like I told you, is getting it to print these pieces really nice. And this is what I ordered. SaneSmart.com, SaneSmart TPU, and I'm going to start doing this. Give me a couple days to get this thing running through my machine properly. Let's do it.